We decided that we needed a new retrofit roof for our conservatory because it was very unfunctional, couldn't really use it from summer to winter. It was always either too hot or too cold. The layout of it, it's a bit of a hallway type design, and it just ended up being a bit of a dumping ground rather than extra family space, which is ultimately what we wanted. We reached out to a couple of companies, maybe 3 or 4 companies, had them round, met them all, and settled upon extra windows because it just felt more comfortable. The experience was a lot nicer, it was a lot friendlier, very approachable, and they seemed to genuinely care about what we wanted.
Extra Windows built our original conservatory, and they did an excellent job. So we trusted them to convert our old roof to new roof, because our old roof is too hot during summer and too cold during winter. It is now the best room in our house, like, our sitting room.
We settled upon extra windows over any of the other quotes that we had. Not only about the price, which was very competitive, but it was really important to me that they were a family-run company who cared about what we wanted and that we knew we could work well with. They were recommended members of which we checked out after the appointment, and they just come very recommended. Any homework that we've done about the company just said good things about them. So Extra Windows came and they gave us the living roof that we discussed, and they've really made this space that we never used before. They've really made this space part of the house, part of the family home.